turning around. Very slowly. Flat out, go on! Bruce and Stuart think will be balanced.
Let me have the walkie-talkie. Not in a million years. Look, they've got the two lightest on one side.
I know.
They've got the two heaviest on the other side, like they could have done.
I know, why did they do that? I have no idea. Well, it'll be because Vincent, Ellie and Evie have just sat in their normal spaces.
Oh, in their
ice. So
I think they're smallest. I think they might fall in. They're nowhere close.
Is it even
going?
Going. It's definitely going. They're moving. Oh yeah, I can see. Yeah, you can just see the.
I'm a bit more.
I'm gonna.
That does not look fun. No. I think it looks fun. Sort of. And then fall in then. Yeah. Don't fall in. That's what I mean. Don't push him in. Because. Don't push him in.
No pushing.
Can I please have the walkie-talkie, please?
Very slow, isn't it? You're not going to go anywhere.
You're coming back?
That's why I'm not actually convinced the motor's working, isn't it? Just the breeze. No, it is. Do you see it behind the trail?
Oh, they're coming slowly. Very slowly. Very, very slowly. I think they're going to... Can you hurry up? Slower than slower.
No, not on land. Oh, maybe.